Guys, so my fake twin and I were going to redo our lashes. So yeah, come with us. So this is the outfit for today. This is for my best friend. Stole it, but didn't give me shower, but yeah. Then this outfit I'm tuning with my friend, and we're going to redo our lashes again because this side of my lashes I don't like it. Yeah, but it's still cute, but I don't like it. So yeah, this is the outfit for today.
This one I better do me, I no get time.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's it going? You are going. All depends. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? You are going. All depends. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it.
This is how I look after beating. How do you look? Challenge?
What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
Oh, Ella is so sweet.
Ride the whip.
For a fine friend.
Different things happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Rolling the ocean, port, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I get concentrate. Look, I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, my be head of sleep. But my people then go say, I don't want die.